get back to our reward creation process. Once you're happy with the setup, click Create. You'll see the reward appear in the list of the rewards. It's inactive from the start, so you will have to activate it, so users of your widget will see it. For manual rewards, like in the example, you'll want to keep an eye on the Moderation tab. This is where redemption requests will come in. You can approve a request, which deducts the points and confirms the reward, or decline it, which cancels the request and returns the points to the user's balance. All other rewards types, automatic, promo code, and gift card are fulfilled automatically, with no moderation needed. You can edit the reward by clicking the Edit button, making changes, and saving your settings. The changes will take effect automatically and immediately.